Hello, we are Tanya and Xue Min of 1Z, and today we will be guiding you through an instructional science video on density. We will be showing you how to accurately determine densities of a regular object and an irregular object. We will also include an explanation how an experiment can be conducted to determine the purity of gold using the concept of density. What you will need for determining the density of a regular object are your regular object, a ruler or a micrometer screw gauge, depending on what you're measuring. First, measure the mass of your object. Before measuring, ensure the initial reading on the scale is 0. This ensures you attain the most accurate measurement. Then, if you are using a micrometer screw gauge or a vernier caliper, be sure to check for zero error. Then, using the micrometer screw gauge, measure the diameter of the marble. Repeat the step a few times, changing the position of measurement each time, and take the average measurement. This will ensure you'll get the most accurate measurement of the diameter of the marble. Using the formula 4/3 pi r cubed, you can find the volume of your marble, and then using the formula density equals mass over volume, you can then find the density of your marble. Next is your irregular objects. What you need are your irregular objects, a piece of string, a beaker, a displacement can, a measuring cylinder, and some water. First, measure the mass of your irregular object. Make sure the initial reading on the scale is 0. Then, tie a string around your irregular object. Then, fill the displacement can so that the water level is just below the hole. Place a beaker under the hole of the displacement can and slowly lower your object into the displacement can. Ensure all water from the displacement can has dripped down before removing the beaker. Then, transfer the water from the beaker into a measuring cylinder. This will allow you to have a more accurate measurement of the amount of water that has been displaced. Be sure to read the water level at eye level to avoid parallax error. Using the formula density equals mass over volume, you can then find the density of your irregular object. So, with the concept of density in mind, how can you find the purity of gold? If you find the mass and volume of the gold and use the formula of density, which is mass over volume, you should be able to find the density of the gold piece. If the density is equal to 19.3 grams over centimeters cubed, the purity of the gold would be 100%.